example. We'll write this one out. Well, let's let y equals 2x plus 7. Let's find y when x equals 3. I'm going to use this example to show you how this other example is actually performed and why it is what it is. In order to find this answer, we're going to take our equation, which is y equals 2x plus 7, and everywhere we have an x, we're going to substitute a 3, like we normally would. Let me do the order of operations. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. So when x is 3, y is 13. And that's what we would expect. Now, let's do this example over here. You're going to find out something. This first example, this where f of x equals 2x plus 7, and you're asked to find f of 3, it's the exact same thing as we did over here. It's the exact same question. So we have f of x equals 2x plus 7. We're going to find f of 3 first. Now the reason why this f of x notation was created, it's a whole lot less to write this kind of a question. See, there's a lot more words in this example than there are in this one. So all this is shorthand notation to find the f of x value or the y value when x is 3. That's all this means. This f of 3 is a big old y value, and you're asked to find the y value when x is 3. So what that means is we're going to take our original equation, and everywhere we have an x, we're going to substitute this 3. Once again, this is nothing but notation. There's no work over here. It's just telling you substitute 3 for the x into the given function or the given equation, just like we did over here. We're going to get the exact same answer. Order of operations says you multiply first. 2 times 3 is 6, and 6 plus 7 is 13. So all it's saying is that f3 is 13. If you want to see what that means, that's the same thing as saying if x is 3 when y is 13. We know that points are always x comma y, and now they're also x comma f of x. You may not want to worry about this, but I'm just trying to give you an idea of what's going on. And so what we're saying is that when x is 3, we're going to find f of 3. We already found that. And 3 is, or when x is 3, y is 13. It's the exact same thing we would have done over here if we were asked to find the point. When x is 3, y is 13. This is all exact same stuff. So keep that in mind. We're going to do a few more. The same function. I'm going to write that function down. F of x equals 2x plus 7. So we can look at it as we do the other ones that I want to do. The next one on the list is to find f of negative 1. All that means is, everywhere you see an x, you put a negative 1, substitute in, follow the order of operations. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Negative 2 plus 7 is 5. So f of negative 1 is 5. Next example, same function. I'm going to write that function down so you can see it as I slide the paper down. You were asked to find f of w. Doesn't matter what it is. Everywhere you see an x, you're going to put a w. And 2 times w is just 2w. And so yes, you can get algebraic expressions as your answer. That's not a big deal. Let's do a couple others, just to show you it doesn't matter what you have. So I'm going to write the function down again, so you can see it as we go along. Let's just go a little crazy. You want to? Let's find f of what? Doesn't matter what it is. We're going to call it what. That's good enough for me. Everywhere you see an x, you put what? 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 What's this one? Let's just go ahead and say we're going to put a little flower in there. Doesn't matter. Everywhere you see an x, you put a little flower in there. Same thing. That could be some kind of hieroglyphic symbol, but we're going to call it flower. Let's do another one. Same function. And it doesn't matter what it is. It could be anything. Hey, look at that. Let's just use anything. I don't think you can't use the division by 0, but hey, let's say we can use anything. So whatever is in there, in this case, anything, you substitute for x. Let's just do one more, just to prove a point to you. Just say, whatever's in here, what's in here, what's in the parentheses. Everywhere you see an x, you put, what's in here? What's in here? Well, what's in here? And so let's just give you an idea what's going on. It's just substitution. Doesn't mean anything else, just substitute.